Today's word is austere. It is an adjective. It means plain and simple without any decorations or extras. Something that is very simple, strict, or plain, lacking any fancy or comfortable things. Similar words include plain, simple, stern, strict. The room was very austere with only a wooden chair and a desk. The monks lived an austere life without toys or games. The office had an austere look because it had no pictures on the walls.
Why is this room so empty and plain?
It is an austere room, which means it only has the things you really need.
Emma explains that the room is empty because it is austere, meaning it lacks any extra items or decorations. Think of a monk's quiet, empty room. Think of something that is not fun or fancy at all. Would a room filled with colorful toys and soft pillows be considered austere?